This video will show you how to export effects with the DeepAR Studio and use them in your own projects using the DeepAR SDK. Here we have a project. This is the sunglasses template, and all we need to do is go File, Export Effect, give it a name. I also have a quick start example open from our GitHub. This is the quick start macOS. And I will now select the exported effect file and drag it into the effects folder. It's important to select Add to Targets when working with Xcode. Now we have added the effect, but if you run the project right now, it won't show up yet because we haven't used it in any switch effect commands or given our code the path to it. So what we need to do is replace this Viking helmet with our effect, for example, and then run again. And now the first effect will be our sunglasses. This line will add the path to our sunglasses effect to an array, and then this path will be used with our switch effect function, which takes a path to the effect, like so.